How many times have you heard or said, it's the thought that counts?
Yes, well, Katie Linendoll is making the case for thinking big this holiday season. Here's the Emmy Award-winning TV host and tech expert.
Some awesome gadgets for the holiday season. Let's start off with the kids. Nickelodeon's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Battle Truck by Mega Bloks. It doesn't get cooler than this, and a fun gift for all ages. Inspired by the vehicle from the movie, kids can actually build the garbage truck turned tank and get hands-on, sending sewer caps flying from the side launcher or launching the net from the roof. Hours of fun. Again, Nickelodeon's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Battle Truck by Mega Bloks. And something for the older kids, myself included. Let's check this out. This is Microsoft Surface Pro 4 getting a lot of hype this holiday season. And what's really great is you can actually get hands-on and experience this at Microsoft stores or check out MicrosoftStore.com. And it has the power and performance of a laptop with ultra lightweight portability of a tablet, Intel processor inside, advanced touch capabilities, and added features like the Surface Pen that lets you be an artiste and actually put artwork directly on the Surface. So very cool, starting at $8.99. Again, you can get hands-on at Microsoft stores. And then you can't talk the holidays without talking Amazon. Amazon's Echo Dot is a unique little gadget. It's a hands-free device with Amazon's voice service called Alexa. And when it comes to shopping this holiday season, you can say, hey, Alexa, what are your deals? And the awesome part about that is you can beat all the rush and the craziness in the store. You can actually shop using your voice. And of course, you can do other things too, like ask for the weather, ask for sports scores, ask for news updates. But yes, take advantage of shopping this holiday season. And also, let's go to toys, because I love me some good toys. I'm always trying to be the cool aunt. Love these next two from Spin Master. This is Spin Master Zoomer Marshall, and you might recognize him because he is from Paw Patrol. And the interactive Zoomer line of toys, they're awesome because they're fun for hours. 150 real Paw Patrol phrases and sounds. You can train him to follow you around. He does 80 different tricks. And also, you can even shoot out spring-loaded missiles and water cannons from his pup pack. Spin Master's Zoomer Marshall, again, from Paw Patrol. Now check this out. This is again from Spin Master. This is Spin Master's AirHog Connect Mission Drone. This has received numerous toy awards. Very cool tech and gaming for kids. And AirHog Connect Mission Drone actually hooks you up with this immersive augmented reality game experience where you fly a real drone into an immersive digital universe. So imagine being able to use your very own tablet that you have already at your home and the free app. You fly that drone around the room and it transforms the universe while you complete your drone missions. Very awesome technology. And last but certainly not least, let's bring back a classic. From Polaroid Snap Touch Instant Print Digital Camera. 13 megapixel camera with LCD display. You know that Polaroid name. Now consider this an upgrade for now. Snap pictures, but then go ahead and edit them with fun filters and borders and instantly print out high quality prints with inkless paper. It's like magic. And I also love that every single one of those prints is also a sticker, so you can go ahead and peel off the back, and it's just fun to share with friends and family. So of course, you can check out all of these gadgets at thunknews.com/awesome.